Hello, grade 9s, how are you? I told you we are going to continue on WhatsApp, man. I just want us to go through this one, which is going to help us in our test. We didn't go through this one, we didn't revise this one because of time. So I want us to go through this one using the BODMAS. Assuming you are told to solve this using the BODMAS. You know, the BODMAS B, the B stand for bracket, the O stand for off, the D stand for division, the M stand for multiplication, the A stand for addition, and the S stand for subtraction. So if you are solving this, we need to consider BODMAS. Now the bracket, if you check here, this is the bracket. So we have to solve the one in the bracket first before we deal with the one outside the bracket. So if you check here, you see that I've written the -4 again. Then anytime you have plus minus, it's minus. Is that okay? Plus minus is what? Minus. And when you come to write a control test, you must come with your calculator as well, because some of the questions you need calculator to answer them. Okay, so here, see that I've written this one in this form. Then we are going to simplify this one as well. So if you have -4 minus 2 is going to give us -6. Alright. If you are not sure, you can press it on your calculator. -4 minus 2 gives us -6. I want to see the steps. Is that okay? And we are also learning how to use the calculator as well, so that when we get to grade 9, we will not have problem. When we get to grade 10, we will also not have problem. But I want to see the steps. Don't use the calculator to press everything here to give me the answer. You will lose mark. Alright. Okay, so from here, what are we going to have? -6 times 6 is going to give us 36. Let's deal with the calculator. How are you going to press it? You can press our bracket, -6 bracket times 6. You see that we have our 36. So easy, né? Okay, let's look at the next question. Our next question says we should solve this one. -2 times 3 plus -6 times 9. If you consider our BODMAS, bracket, this is our bracket, times 9. Off means what? Times. So we can deal with the times as well. So let's deal with the times. -2 times 3. It gives us 6. Let's use our calculator and see. -2 times 3. We have our 6 there. So you write your 6 nicely. Then you write this plus, né? Then -6 times 9 is going to give us -54. Let's check. Bracket -6, close the bracket, times 9. It gives us what? -54. Okay, so this side, let me add one step here. This side, we have our -6. Anytime you have plus minus, it's going to give us minus. Plus minus is minus, plus plus is plus, minus minus is plus. So this is going to give us -54. 54. I want to see this. Alright. Okay, so our final answer, how did we get? Minus 60 minus 6 minus 54 gives us minus 60. Even we can even press this one to get minus 60, but I want to see the steps. I want to see the step. Is that okay? So here, let's press this. You see that you have minus 60. Minus 6 plus minus 54 will give us minus 60. But if you use the calculator to press this one directly to get minus 60, you are going to lose one step and you will lose one mark there. So I want to see this. Is that okay? Plus minus is what? Minus. Plus plus is plus. Minus minus is plus. Okay. Let's do the last one. Okay. The next one, we are going to have minus times minus 2 plus 6 divided by plus 18 divided by minus 3. Let me bring my BODMAS here. We are still using the BODMAS. Let me bring it here. My brackets. This is my bracket. So you see that I've written the minus 4 again. This is the times. Then I'm going to deal with the one in the bracket. That is minus 2 plus 6 is what? 4. Okay. Let's see. So minus 2 plus 6. It gives us what? 4. Alright. Then I have my plus minus 6. How did I get a minus 6? I'm going to deal with the what? The division. Because multiplication comes, then division. Alright, so we are going to deal with the division here. So the division, how are you going to press this? You press 18 divided by bracket minus 3. Close the bracket. Then you have this. You have your minus 6. So this one is the plus and this is the minus 6. Then don't use the calculator to press this one direct to give you the answer. I want to see the steps as well. So minus 4 times 4. So minus 4 times 4 is going to give us minus 16. Let's see. Minus 4 times 4. It gives us what? Minus 16. Then we have plus minus. Remember I said plus minus is what? Minus. So minus 6. Then minus 16 minus 6 is going to give us minus 22. Let's see. Minus 16 minus 6. It gives us what? Minus 22. Alright. Okay, so you are going to do this homework for me. Okay, you do this one for me. Bye.